post siya sa kanyang social media, sa Facebook or Instagram, malandi ka, okay, then by all means, she could be criminally liable for that. Yes, because the word malandi is something that is not in relation to Maris being a public figure. Okay? Kasi pwede kang magkaroon ng fair commentaries so long as it will be in relation to her being an actress. Kapag wala namang relevance doon sa pagiging actress niya, then that is already, defamatory in nature. So yes, definitely yung netizen na nag-post, she's or he is opening her doors to be held liable for this particular crime. But then again, if it is just a comment, okay, kunwari merong original post and then nag-comment lang ito si isang netizen, pwedeng hindi siya maging liable in the sense that it's only a knee-jerk reaction. Okay? Meaning to say, it is just a commentary arising from an original post. Okay? Pero kapag siya talaga ang nag-originate ng post, di ba? Nag-post siya sa kanyang social media, sa Facebook or Instagram, malandi ka, okay? Then, by all means, she could be criminally liable for that.